Chiamisi my opponent. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ich habe das ein bisschen anders gemacht. Again, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jetzt habe ich richtig gemacht. Slow. Woman side. Till the fourth step. 1, 2, 3. And now on the fourth step I will go on purpose away from the girl and place my right hand here to the side. 4. Make like big distance. I can stretch my right hand because it's not here anymore, it's there. And now what I do, I remove my left leg by making a tap and allow the girl to go that way. Guiding her, 5. Until she arrives with her leg here in connection. As soon as she stands on the right leg, don't push with the leg. Open with the right hand. With the right hand open. Imagine this leg is a door. Imagine this leg is a door and I have to open the door before I can step there. Okay, but the connection here is important. So I make 6 and give her the push with the right hand and remove the hands. The right hand goes on the belly as she turns. 7 and make some body contact if I want. If not, I can also be here. And now take her in the motion of turning to break. Good. From here, I push with the left hand. We both stay on the right leg. Push with the left hand and keep the right hand on her belly. And she turns away from me. 1. Then my hand is there. Now my hand will have to push in that direction. If not, she goes that way. And stop her while I'm making break here. And it's important to be fast with the hand there. Don't lift it up because if not, you're disturbing her right hand. Okay? And now, this is 2. On the free, I bring her from the break. We are both on the left leg here, by the way. Bring her on the break and step away from her. 3. I turn my head and try to search for her as fast as possible. 4. Now I can go into the frame and collect her. 5. I only make a tapping 5. For the girl, it's flow, walking forward into Zaida. And then I make 6 and that's it. Good, that's it.